My name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We're the #1 Class B dealer in the country, and we're so happy to be at the biggest RV show in the country. This is the Tampa SuperShow. We're here with Coachmen Nova today, and I'm here with the head guy of Coachmen Nova. This is Nick Recchio, and we're so excited to show you guys these Coachmen Novas. This is the all-new 20C model. This is the newest, the hottest, the greatest Class B RV on the market right now. So I can't wait to show you guys a sneak peek of this 20C. Hey, so now we're in the back of this Coachmen Nova 20C. This is the all-new floor plan, the all-new setup. These are some extremely comfortable couches, by the way. I love this. Yep. This is a great, this is a great use of space back here. Yeah, this is a phenomenal RV. So by the way, so we're here with Nick Recchio. This is his child. He designed this. He came up with this idea for this 20C. He took over Coachmen Class B department about 4 years ago. And in the last 4 years, the Coachmen Class Bs have been the fastest growing Class B manufacturer in the country. So a lot of it has to do with Nick Recchio's leadership, with where he's taken this, the quality, the design, and the biggest thing, and I talk about this all the time, is they listen to their dealers and they listen to their customers. Me and Nick have conversations weekly about the quality, about ideas, about things, and I gotta tell you, none of them have ever landed on deaf ears. So, Nick Recchio, tell us about this all-new 20C Coachmen Nova.
Yeah, thank you for the introduction. Really happy to be here with you guys. This is one of our first times we're able to represent a product at Tampa. You guys are very important to us. All our dealers are very important, but we got a fantastic relationship with the folks at Sunshine State. One of the things about Sunshine State that I appreciate is, they really care about the customer service experience, and I'm really big on that. I want it to be easy, memorable, no pain, and they do a really good job of prepping the customer, giving the customer a couple days to weed through some issues, camping on your site, having the techs there. They do a phenomenal job, and it's about time I would love to see more dealers approach.
No, we don't need more dealers. We're the best. We're the only ones who do that.
I would like to see more dealers approach it with that way, and you guys do a great job. I gotcha. But back to the 20C. Yes. Nova, we debuted Nova in September of last year, kind of slow going with the 20RB. We got that launched, and we immediately wanted to come back with something a little different, and we're in the smallest chassis of Coachmen's lineup. We have the Galleria, the Beyond, Galleria at 24 feet, Beyond at 22 feet, the Nova at 20 feet 11 inches. So we're going to a smaller platform, but I wanted to go bigger on the inside. Yeah. I wanted to have the biggest refrigerator.
It is the biggest in any Dodge ProMaster that I've seen. The biggest fridge and freezer that actually fits all my ice cream in it. I mean, my Ben & Jerry's, all the ice cream that I need fits in that freezer. So it's pretty sweet. The 7300 Nova Cool is a fantastic refrigerator. We use this refrigerator on the 24A, 24FL. Tons of success. We use this wet bath shower mold on a couple other products that we have. It is the largest shower I have in my production line. We put the largest shower in the smallest chassis. One thing I'm very proud of, we always talk residential. When you see our videos, you hear me talking residential. And this is as residential as it get, guys. You heard me in a video not too long ago saying I just put new cabinets in my house. I couldn't afford these. This is one of my suppliers. Beautiful cabinetry. The 20C, we did a phenomenal job on the 22C Beyond product on the Ford Transit chassis. And we wanted to give an alternative to that, whether price point, chassis preference. We just wanted to give an alternative. So this is our 20C, kind of based off the Beyond 22C. We're talking about some new things just with the design of the van, but there's also some upgrades that we've made this past summer in our model change to improve the products. And one of the things Nick touched on was our new vinyl, soft touch vinyl. And I spent about 8 months trying to figure out a really good foam because these are comfortable.
Yeah,
these are
a big improvement.
Very comfortable.
While I thought our seats were good last year, wasn't good enough for some of our customers. And I want you to sit down and not think negatively of me. So spent a lot of
He
time.
takes it personal.
Yeah, I mean,
he takes it personal.
Yeah, I don't
He's
like
not just
that.
building an RV. He is taking everything he does in this RV personal, and that's really what sets these above and apart from everything else. I mean, the comfort, the quality, how much you guys care.
Yep.
You know, I love how comfortable this is. I love these windows in this Nova.
Yep.
That's something that the Beyond or Gallery or any other Class B, those windows, they open all the way up. I mean, there's so much cool stuff about this coach. Tell me a little bit about the insulation and the tanks and kind of what you did there.
Well, so one of the things Nick touched on is some of the features that aren't really prevalent in a lot of our competitors, and he referenced the windows. And, you know, why did we even stumble upon these windows? When we did the Nova, we just didn't want to do something to do a Travato or to do this or to do that. And Travato's a fantastic product, #1 selling Class B in the country, in the world. Kudos to them, they did a great job. So what we did is we reached out to a handful of Travato owners that we have been engaging with prior to Nova and said, you know, what 4 things would you like to see if you could buy a Travato again? And the dual pane windows from Europe were a big one. Yep. Solar reflective shade. I never thought B-van windows were so important because really
people talk about them every day.
Yep.
Every day.
Really, we were just always using glass.
Yeah.
And so dual pane acrylic windows, big plus, major R factor, and now we're going to start talking about insulation. And we're in a little tin box here. We've got an airplane flying over us. We can barely hear it.
Loud as can be outside.
Loud as can be. Customers everywhere. And we're in a quiet little 20-foot, 11-inch van.
Yeah.
A lot of people ask, you know, how are your vans quiet? Why is it quieter than brand X, Y, and Z? Well, each wheel well, we got $75 worth of Hush Mat. Hush Mat's a vibration sound deadener inhibitor. Nobody else goes. You're over the wheel well. Somebody could be sleeping here while in transit. We want to give the quietest ride possible. Some manufacturers don't put anything over the wheel well. Some people take spray adhesive and put carpet over the wheel well in reverse. We're just going to do it the right way. Sound deadening, let's keep talking about that. The insulation in B vans is something that's bothered me for a long time. Yeah. And what bothered me is there was none. And we wanted to change that. If I can provide a product to you and have your customers start their year earlier in their B van and take it out later.
4 seasons.
I like 3.5. We like 3.5
this
seasons.
Is the 4 seasons coach, they call it.
Yep.
All the way down to 5 degrees, right?
Yes.
5 degrees.
Yes.
You can camp in this thing without anything freezing, with being totally safe, up to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. That's insane. I don't want to be in 5 degrees anywhere. I'm not, but you can be in 5 degrees in this coach because of the innovations that Nick comes out with the insulation, the location of the tanks, the way they design this. They think of everything. It's not just let's throw a bunch of junk in the cheapest chassis we can and sell an RV. It's let's methodically think through this. How can we give the best experience to the customer, make it easy on the dealers, and provide a great product to where Nick can walk through this show and everybody that walks up to him shakes his hand, gives him a hug. Dude, I love your product. I love what you're doing. I love your product. It's amazing. I'm proud to be able to represent the RVs that Nick makes. I truly am. At Sunshine State RVs, we are their #1 dealer. We sell more Beyonds, more Galleries, more Novas than anybody else because I believe in it. We believe in what Coachmen's doing. And because that's easy for us to share our experience. It's easy for us to explain what they do, and it's easy for him to do it. You can tell he's passionate about it. He loves what he does, and that's refreshing to me.
Yeah.
So, Nick, thank you for taking time out of this busy show. There's a line of people outside that all want to talk to him. They want to take pictures with him, but he's in here with us, hanging out, and I appreciate that. But guys, this is a sweet RV. I'm going to do a full review on it here shortly, but this is the 20C Coachmen Nova, and thank you very much for watching our video.
Thank you to all of our customers. We appreciate you very much. Feedback's always welcome. Usually every year at the Tampa show, you'll see me say a video, give us your feedback. Listening is free. It's what you want to do with that information and how do you want to put that in the process. And I love listening. I talk about it to my plant and our amazing employees back in Middlebury, Indiana all the time. Thank you for the kudos, but there's a lot of people back home that do the real hard work. And we're really proud of them. They're proud of this relationship. And, thank you guys. It's been a fun week so far. And thank you to all your customers. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.